Hey guys, I wanted to walk you through this workbook. This is for pre-K and all the way up to kindergarten. This is designed to kind of be a fill-in-the-gaps learning tool for when your kid is maybe out on summer break or before they actually start school. I do feel like this is one of the ones that they're going to need a little help with the instructions on, especially if they're new to reading. Like this one says, circle the objects in each set that are the same size. So it's teaching them to recognize like, okay, these are the same and these are the same, this one's different. And then you've got numbers here. Here's the number 8 with birthday cakes. It says color 8 balloons. So it's not really so much that you're, doing a lot of hard work, but it's just recognizing, okay, that's 8. That's a visual representation of 8. There's also some more lengthy prompts here that you could go over with them. I definitely feel like this is more of a sit down with mom and dad type of kind of page, but there are a lot of pages that could be independent play, especially if you just want to give your kid this and say, hey, you just work through this workbook at your own pace, because there's just a lot of things to color. It says color the pictures red, so you give them a red marker and then they can identify all of these things, like you've got cherries, you've got tomatoes, you've got a bird, I guess that's a cardinal, and then a balloon. So here's the C. I also like that they have uppercase and lowercase and a spot to write each that shows kind of like, hey, this is a visual, so you can see this one's bigger than this one. We go through the alphabet. The pages are also really vibrant colors, which I like because I just feel like that holds your attention a little bit better. You've got here a longer prompt about water, like the concept of water. So there are some longer like lessons in this. It's a nice fish page. And then you've got say the name of each picture, circle the letter that it begins with. So watermelon, you could say circle the W. Your community, it's got different people in the community that they can learn about. Here's a firefighter there. And then you've got some words that sound the same. You got van, man, fan. So you can kind of see, okay, this is how the spelling of these words goes about. And then towards the back, you've got a summer reading bingo, which is really fun for them to do. You could tear some of these pages out. And then that's actually what is meant to happen with these. These are to be torn out. These are the letters, and then on the back you'll see that there is a corresponding image. So for C, you've got cow. So they can make their own flashcards with these, which is pretty cool. And then you've also got them for the numbers. So on the back it shows little dots of how many numbers. You could say count how many these are. And you've got it for shapes. So overall, pretty comprehensive book in terms of just a learning resource. You've also got some star stickers in the back here. So I think the concept being that they get a sticker every day that they do the book. So that's pretty fun. So big shout out to the brand for sending me this to try and show y'all. I really think that this is a good learning resource.